the wonderful works done by the students, my students. And this is a Lippan art that we did in this summer vacation. Let's start the video.
First, I'm gonna open. Now,
So
you all don't
here
open. First, I will show
it is a
what is this.
complete
Okay.
step-by-step
Yeah.
process on how we did it using this Fevicryl molded.
I'm gonna open this, where you get two pieces. This is one, and this is two. Okay. Now this is the resin. Yeah, this is the clay. This is the resin. Okay, and this is the hardener. Okay, hardener. This is the resin. Yes. See, yeah, this one and this one. Okay. What you do is you only take half from the packet. Huh? Half for next class you keep. Understood? Only take half. This also only take half. Okay. Yeah, both hardener and resin you have to mix properly. It has to mix, or else it won't turn hard. See, now this is mine. Now what I am going to do is with this, I have mixed. Okay, now half of it fell over here, so I'm gonna add over here again. Mix. It should turn like this color. Okay, hands will be very sticky. See, like this, very dirty. It will turn very dirty. So what you have to do is, see,
Powder.
I'm gonna put it over here. Keep it over here a little bit.
Is it snail or a worm?
See, like this. See, is it like this? It is like this.
If it
It is
goes
like
too
this.
long, it will
Next, I will give you all boards.
go.
Okay, boards. Inside. If your hand becomes very sticky, you can put some powder like this. Okay, and do like a chapati. Huh? Yeah, like chapati like this. Okay.
And powder is like flour.
Yeah. See now. See. See this. See this. See this. You have to simply do like this.
You're gonna give us those birds also. You're gonna give those birds.
See this. Yeah, I will give boards also.
This.
See, you have to start from the center here.
Well, the first step will be the marking of the drawing where these molded has to be pasted. The students are allowed to use the cutter and cut the round shape from the board. Next, they're using the molded and the cardboard to make the shape, which later they will fix it using Fevicol. Here it's very important that they explore this medium, do on their own, and the teacher has to be guiding a little bit, just a little bit, and it's very important that they do on their own. When they do on their own, the excitement of starting and the doing uh, is going to be really more, and they love it. After that, we will be using the acrylic paint, not the watercolor. Let them use acrylics.
Nice.
And so we have to take this up. Can you do I don't know which color to
And
put.
once they finish the painting, let them stick the mirror beads. The mirror beads are going to add more value to the
You're
artwork.
still in the black. I am almost done with the black.
I have given them several shapes, beads, mirror beads, and asked them to pick any shape as they want. Given the colors, they could pick any color and make it. But like I wanted them to copy the exact same of how I did. This is where they explore, their painting style. And
Red dots here.
it's okay.